Welcome back, welcome back. I got another preview for you. Not an unboxing, because you can kind of see what's going on here. For my Ultimate Warriors. Got some nice Ultim gear here. And to round it out, I got a new Ultim knife. Check it out, y'all. I had the Ferramonster Glideman DBD Edition. I just got this a week or so ago, and let me tell you, this is becoming one of my favorite Ultimate knives that I have. And I have a few, if you didn't already know. Ceramic ball bearings. I applied a little bit too much lube to this side of the scale. I mean, I didn't apply it to the scale, I applied it to this side and it kind of seeped through that side, but did less on this side. And there you go, you got the DBD logo. Shout out EDC with DBD, the homie. He is the creator, YouTuber, knife enthusiast extraordinaire that helped collaborate with Ferramonster and to revise the Glideman. I never have dealt with Glideman or handled a Ferramonster. I don't know what the V1 is like, but there's no flipper. The flipper's been deleted, and there's no flipper. There's no flipper here. It was here, and yeah, the Ultimate scales look fantastic. See this? Nice little titanium spacer there. And you're getting like some good markings and some good engravings and some nice DLC. Forgive how nasty that looks. Let me wipe it real quick. But you know, the oils from your skin will definitely do a number on this finish, especially if you touch it a lot. But man, this is such a nice little knife. And I have I have medium-sized hands. I use medium-sized latex gloves. And I get a full fist grip, and it's below this choil, this first choil, this second choil. Yeah, drop shut, as you can see. Love finger flicking this, and I've been doing this as well. Right to the pinch. Yeah, man, this one. Really solid. DBD, great job. I heard through the grapevine that you might be doing another collab this year, next year. Looking forward to that. DBD, thank you. I will support you. I kind of want a satin one now. Maybe I'll get a satin one too. I don't know. We'll see, DBD. Thank you for bringing this knife to us. I'll gladly support you. You're such a kind-hearted person. You're very welcoming to your streams and to just the general discourse online. And yeah, this is the least I could do. And I'm not an affiliate. I don't make money shouting this out or with the sales of this product. It's just for the love and for the respect. So DBD, great job. Glideman DBD Edition from Ferramonster. This is the DLC, black DLC version. There's a satin blade version. And yeah, this is highly recommended. You can actually get this knife. Unlike some of the other knives I've been unboxing lately where they're sold out, this one is not sold out as of early March. So get it before it's gone. It is limited. I believe both finishes are available, so you should check it out. You should pick one up. Totally worth it. You're gonna regret it if they sell out, and then you're gonna pay $200 for it on Blade Binge, you know? So hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed flicking some of this Glideman for you, and look forward to showing you more knives in the future and unboxing some goodies very soon. Peace out, everyone.